In problem 80, we're asked to find the intervals of the domain for the inverse of this function. A couple different ways that we could do this. One of the easiest ways may be for us to actually list some values here as we go along. So let's start with the basic function. We have x and g of x, and I'm going to do some estimation here. But 2, 9, so this goes 2, 9. 3 goes with, I'm going to estimate 3 goes with 8.3. 4 is with 7.6. 5 corresponds to 7. 6 corresponds to 5.6. Let's see, 7 here. 7 is going to correspond to a little over 4. 4.2. And 8 corresponds to 3. Now, if we were going to write a table that represents the inverse functions, where we're just taking the inputs and the outputs and switch them. So all of these would be now located into the input as we represent the domain and range for the inverse function here. So it'd go 9 all the way down to 3. So we can see that we have an interval from 3 all the way down to 9. And then these values will then get put in place of the inverse of g of x. Again, we're asked about intervals of the domain of the function. That's why I'm focusing here.